Square of a number having units place 5. I am going to say one trick. Okay, 5 square. So in all the units place you can see 5, right? See all the places you can see 5. So in all the cases you have to write 25. You have to write all the cases 25. Then 5 square means 25. You already know that. Then 115 square. So 25 first you write. So 15. So 5 square you have to write 25. Then 1. What is the next number? 2. So we can write 1 into 2, 2. Then 5 square you have to 25 you have to write. Then 2, what is the next number? 3. So we can write 625 we can write, isn't it? Then 5 square, 35 square. So 5 square we can write, 25 we can write. Then what is the number here? 3. So what is the next number? 4. 3 into 4, 12 we can write, isn't it? Then next number 45 square. 45 square you usually 5 square you have to write 25. Then 4, after 4 which number comes? 5. 5 fours are 20. Okay. Then 55 square. So 5 square as usual you have to write 25. 5, after 5 which number comes? 6. 6 5s are 30 you have to write, isn't it? Okay. 65 square. As usual you have to write 25. Then 6, after 6 which number comes? 7. 6 7s are 42 we can write. Okay. Then 75 square. So 25 you have to write as usual. 7 into 8 is equal to 56 you have to write. 85 square. So we can write 25 as usual. 8 into next number is 9. So we can write 8 9s are 72. So the answer is 7225. Then 95 square. As usual 25. 5 square you have to write 25. Then 9. What is the next number? 10. So 9 into 10 is equal to 90 we can write it. So we get 9025 we get. Okay, is it clear for you? So 105 square. So 5 square is 25. As usual we have to write. Then 10. What is the next number? It is 11. So 10 into 11 is equal to how much? 110 we can write, isn't it? So next 115 square. As usual 5 square we can write 25. So 11, after 11 which number comes? 12 will comes. So 11 into 12 is equal to 132. So we can write 132. Then next one 125 square. So 5 square we can write 25 as usual. Then 12, after 12 which number comes? 13 will come, right? So 12 into 13 is equal to how much? 156. 156 we can say. Okay, next 135 square. So 5 square we can write 25. 13 into next number is what? 14. 13 into 14 is equal to 182. Isn't it? Then 145. 145 square. So 25 you have to write as usual. Then 14 into 15. 14 into 15 is equal to how much? 210. Isn't it? Okay. Then 155 square. So 5 square as usual we can write 25. 15 into 16 is equal to how much? 240 we can write. Isn't it? Then 165 square. So as usual 5 square we can write 25. So 16 into 17 is equal to 272 we can write, isn't it? Then 175 square. So we can write 5 square as usual, we can write 25. Then 17, after 17 which number comes? 18. 17 into 18 is equal to 306 we can write. So 306 we can write. Then 185 square. So 25 as usual we can write. Then 18 into, what is the next number? 90. So we get 342 we get, isn't it? Then 195 square. As usual, 5 square we can write 25. 19 into 20. What is 19 into 20? Which is equal to 380. Okay. Like this we can find the square of numbers. 5 in the units place. Is it clear for you? Thanks for watching.